Working model of brain. First of all, brain is a complex organ. It controls emotion, touch, feel, etc. There are three types in brains. First one is medulla oblongata, cerebrum, cerebellum. Medulla oblongata tells us the sugar level, blood pressure level, etc. Coming to cerebrum helps us in writing, reading, memory skills, and also it divides the brain into two hemispheres called cerebrum hemispheres. One will present at left side, another will be present at right side. The next one is about cerebellum. Cerebellum controls our nervous system and also it holds the half of the neurons in the brain. This brain is made up of nerve tissue and also this is covered with the cranium layer. Cranium layer is nothing but a layer which is full of with bones. It covers the skull and brain. And also there are two types of actions in the brain. First one is voluntary action, another one is involuntary action. Voluntary action is nothing but the action which is going to help with the permission of our brain is called voluntary action. The next one is about involuntary action. Involuntary action is nothing but the action which is going to help without our permission of the brain is called involuntary action. Example: sneezing, gargling, coughing, etc. So if the cerebrum may get damaged, we may face some diseases like brain tumor, brain stroke, brain cancer, etc. So we have to be somewhat careful in brain diseases. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. My name is K. Sai Chandra. I am studying 9th class. Today's my project is states and capitals. In India, there are 28 states and capitals. Now I am showing how to find states and capitals. Now we take one pen and kept in Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. We take another pen is kept on Tamil Nadu. If we kept in Kolkata, it will not work because the capital of that state only it will work. Thank you.
right atrium and this is left atrium, sir, and lower chambers are ventricle. This is right ventricle and this is left ventricle. The heart The muscles presented in the heart are cardiac muscles. It is made up of a special muscles. It is called cardiac muscles. It is presented in heart only, sir. And this is aorta and this is pulmonary tube and this is pulmonary arteries and this is cerebri vena cava, sir. Thank you, sir.
My name is Miss Chadia Reddy. This is the working model of kidneys. This is the kidneys and this is the urethra and this is the urinary bladder. This is the urethra. Kidneys mean a two-V-shaped block that filter the blood during excretions. Urethra means a thin tubule arising from the kidneys and ends with the urinary bladders. Urinary bladders means a structure that stores urine temporarily. Urethra means a membranous tubule arising from the urinary bladders to send out the urine out of the body. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. I am Dhanista. So today I made two project works, sir. One is the 3D model of heart and another one is the bridge of Manikarnika. Sir, the childhood name of Chancellor Shmubai is Manikarnika, sir. She born on 19th November 1828. And Baba Sahib is the main person who supported Manikarnika. And she married Gangadhar Rao and King of Jhansi in 1842 May when she was 14 years old. And she gave birth to Damodar Rao in 1851. At the time, the captain of Jhansi was William Sepoy Mutiny in 1837. The sir was mostly placed by William Gordon. He came to Jhansi on 21st March 1858. He always had a wish to capture Jhansi and rule it. So he made many wars on Chancellor's Village, and in 1858 he made a second war in which all the soldiers dead. So at the last second, Chancellor Shmubai thought that even I will die in this war. So she jumped from this point and she again went to the Hindu, which is her native place. And she took help of Tania Tope and Nana Sahib too. Nana Sahib too is the son of Nana Sahib I. These both were the friends of Chancellor Shmubai. They helped her to capture the Gwalior. Gwalior is present in Madhya Pradesh. Chancellor Shmubai made third war in 18 June 1858 with Sir Heroes. And she died in this war. Sir Heroes was very guilty because he hadn't faced such a good freedom fighter and she gave so much of tough fight. So even Sir Heroes wrote in his diary that he hadn't seen this much good freedom fighter. And present the tomb of Chancellor Shmubai is in Gwalior. Thank you, sir.
it will divide into two parts. One is the unwanted substance blood and another one is the purified blood. The purified blood enter to the body and it will function for the kidneys. Another one is the another unwanted blood is stored in this dialysis, that is for non-used blood, that is
the inner eye. These nerves are known as retinal nerves, and this is known as cornea, and this is known as lens, and this is known as retina. When the light reflects to the pupil transfer light to retina, and the retina transfer light to brain, and the brain give message to pupil